Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Central Lafayette Parish, in south-central Louisiana, northwestern Vermilion Parish, in south-central Louisiana, southeastern Acadia Parish, in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Iberia Parish, in south-central Louisiana, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Maurice, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Lafayette and surrounding areas. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Broussard, Youngsville, Maurice, Milton, Ridge, and Scott. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are in a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.